Wetlands, nature's water worlds. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and important environmental topic: wetland habitats. These unique ecosystems are not only fascinating but also crucial for our planet. So, let's explore what makes wetlands so special and why they matter. What exactly are wetlands? Simply put, wetlands are areas where water covers the soil, either all year round or just at certain times. These can include swamps, marshes, and bogs. Wetlands are like nature's sponges, absorbing and holding water. This helps prevent floods and keeps our water clean by filtering out pollutants. They're also incredibly diverse in terms of the plants and animals that call them home. Wetlands play a critical role in our environment. They act as natural water filters, cleaning the water that flows through them. They're also vital for biodiversity, supporting a wide range of plant and animal species. Wetlands are breeding grounds for many birds and fish, making them essential for maintaining healthy populations of these species. Despite their importance, wetlands face several threats. Pollution, climate change, and land development are just a few of the challenges these habitats encounter. When wetlands are damaged or destroyed, it affects not just the local ecosystem but also the communities that depend on them. It's crucial to understand these threats to help protect and preserve wetland areas. Wetlands are more than just waterlogged lands. They're vital ecosystems that benefit both nature and humans. They help in flood control, water purification, and are hotspots of biodiversity. Protecting wetlands is protecting our planet and future. Thanks for joining me in exploring these wonderful habitats. I hope this video has been informative and inspires you to learn more about the natural world around us.